Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be cross-stitching the YouTube logo. What you'll need is a needle, red and white embroidery floss, and a plastic canvas. I'm using the 14 count, but you can use any count you'd like. We're going to start off by threading our needle. This pattern is 19 by 13, meaning 19 stitches in length and 13 in height. Also, I wanted to point out that you don't have to cut a piece of canvas the way I did. This is just personal preference. But you can feel free to stitch right on the big sheet. They come in different sizes and in different counts. By the way, I found this pattern on Pinterest, so I'll be sure to link it in the description so that you can follow it a little bit more clear. The first row will be 9 stitches in height. The second row will be 11 stitches. However, you'll notice I didn't start the second row directly next to the first one. I moved down 1 square and start the row there. You'll do the same for the next row. You'll notice you create a staircase effect. That will basically be the edge of the play button. From this point on, the rest of the rows will be 13 stitches in height. We'll do this until the end of the pattern where we will mimic the same staircase effect. Like the YouTube logo, the play button will be stitched in the middle of the pattern. This will come after you finish stitching 6 rows of the same height. For the 6th and 7th row, you'll notice that I stitched them together to show you the outline of the play button. So the first row that has 3 stitches will be the 6th row, and the second row that has 3 stitches will be the 7th row. This is where you will start the outline for the play button. For me, it was a little bit difficult to explain how to stitch it, so if you just visually follow along, or if you reference the pattern, I think it'll be so much easier for you. Don't forget, I will link it in the description. In this section, you'll notice me coming right back down, and this is just me completing my 6th row that I didn't stitch because I was showing the outline. I do want to take a moment to formally apologize. I'm so sorry. I sound horrible. I am just sick. The weather is horrible, and it's changing constantly. So yeah, I'm sorry. From this point on, you can start filling the rest of the rows with red again to complete the pattern. After you've filled in around the play button, there are 3 rows left that are the height of 13 stitches. Once you've completed that section, the last 2 rows of the pattern will consist of you mirroring the first 2 rows we stitched. The second to last row being 11 stitches and the last row being 9 stitches. I like to work with one color at a time, so once I finish the red, I can now start filling in the outline with white. And boom, once you're done with the white, you can cut that little bad boy off. And boom, there you go. Now you can do whatever your heart desires with the little play button. I, however, took it up a notch and made it into a pin. Ooh, I like it, Picasso. Thanks for watching.